Hey creators, want to make your reel stand out? Let me show you how to add AI generated stickers to your Instagram reels in seconds. Let's get started. First, open Instagram app and start creating a new reel. And once you're in your editing screen, tap the sticker icon at the top. Now, select AI stickers. This lets you generate a custom stickers just by typing what you want. Then, type a simple prompt like this. Then, Instagram will generate a few sticker options. Pick the one that you like. You can resize and place it anywhere in your reel. Then use these AI stickers to highlight your message, show emotions, or add fun twist. They're perfect for storytelling or branding without needing design skills. And that's it. You've just leveled up your reels with AI stickers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.